Hello and welcome. Today in this video we will learn how to reset our Windows Store. Sometime when you try to download something from your Windows Store, it doesn't open, or you just can't install or download any app from the Windows Store because of its cache problem. In this video, we will try to solve this problem. So to do that, you have to press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. This will open this run dialog box. Now you have to type WSRESET.exe and press OK or hit enter. This will open the command prompt. Now our Windows Store is resetting and all its previous cached files and setting will reset, and our Windows Store will go to its default setting. Wait for the process to finish and your Windows Store will open automatically. But if it doesn't open automatically, open it manually by double clicking on it. Okay, so now my Windows Store is opening. Now let's download something from this store. Okay, let's download this TikTok. Okay, now it is downloading. Yeah, so this is downloading now. As you can see, this is now downloading. I don't need this, so I will cancel its download. So in this way you can download anything from your Windows Store, and this will reset your Windows Store to its default, and you can now use your Windows Store. So if in the future you face this problem, just repeat this process and your Windows Store will work fine. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.